Alright, today we're gonna install F1 style center light here, and I already got a part. I already installed cool air intake. So for now, we're gonna install the center light. So here's the light. This is the clear one. I'm gonna take it out later. And they do provide the screw, mount, the cable that you need, and the wire, everything. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So this thing, I think you can just pop it out from underneath. Wait, hold on. So okay, this camera up. And for the light, the cable should be just here, and let me go way around this side. I think you don't need a cover type at all, but you just wanna make sure you tight it. So they provide this one, the center plate, and then should be here at the back. I think should be something like this. Oh, wait. Yeah. Half it up. So okay. Oh, my bad. Put the wrong half it up. Okay. Let's take off the cable. We're gonna try this one first. And here's the socket. And this one goes inside here. This one goes over here. Yeah. That's it. Ok, một cái là start start bữa về làm mà nó max số code về làm mà nó start tiếng chân open six số đi nó tung à nó khát pen hả full top dong top dong nén số lại full ok start nén xuống măng siết pe xuống rồi pe siết xuống vào một cái class này. Ok black siết lại khá siết. Alright, for this one, I'm gonna use this dream pad. So you can just take it off over here and just plug it back. Should be good. Tom rep về đặt nó mà pen hả okay. Alright, that should be it today. Wait, what was it? Thank you.